courage is the first character trait that you have on a daily basis when you wake up, because no one is coming to save you. Whether you want to build an offer that's at 7 figures or whether you just want to actually put yourself in a position where you can make a great living, have a great life, make sure that your family's secure and bring a team in to take over some of the day-to-day or whatever it is. In order to do that, you must actually go through the journey of the most extensive personal development program that there actually is, which is your business, right? It will challenge you in ways that you never would have thought would have actually been possible to get through. And it will put you through the ringer in a way that normal people just don't get to experience on a daily basis. The biggest core ingredient that has probably helped me get through to 7 figures, build a great team, have the best relationship that I've ever had in my life, is waking up and choosing the 2 things that I'm going to do on a daily basis, which is committing to the tasks that need to get done, which are pretty fucking simple, right? It's like, train a team member, or, send some fucking messages, or put a post up on Facebook, right? It's like, it's not really that crazy stuff, but you do that consistently enough and you can build a 7-figure business pretty fucking easily. And I think that a lot of the content I'm going to put out is going to be based around things that prevent people from doing the work, which is the stuff from here up, because I think that's probably the area that I've spent the most time, energy, and effort putting into actually building great, resourceful amount of skill around.